Get ready to transform your contract management by uploading your very first document into Pandadoc with this easy-to-follow guide. The first step is to access your Pandadoc dashboard once logged in. Look for the button that allows you to create a new document. This is usually a prominent button, often labeled New Document or Create Document. Clicking that button will present you with several options for starting a new document for uploading an existing file. Select the option that says Upload from your computer or something similar. Now, your computer's File Explorer will open, allowing you to locate the contract you wish to upload. Navigate through your folders and select the specific contract file. Once you've selected your file, you can either drag and drop it directly into the designated upload area within Pandadoc, or click the Upload button to initiate the transfer. You'll see a progress bar as your document is uploaded. And just like that, your very first contract is now inside Pandadoc, ready for you to review, edit, and leverage all of its professional document management features. From here, you can start adding signature fields, customizing your template, and setting up your document for easy sharing and tracking. This is the beginning of streamlined and efficient contract handling. Congratulations on taking this crucial first step in your Pandadoc journey.